Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and this is the card we're making today. It's really simple, very simple little card. It's this beautiful paper, which is the fine art floral paper, and this is just gorgeous, so I didn't really think it needed a lot. So let's start off with some stamping, and we're going to be using the matching stamp set called Art Gallery, and we're going to be using two sentiments from here. We're going to be using Best Wishes and Happy Birthday, and I've got everything set up on my Stamparatus, and we're going to be stamping with some Versamark because we are going to be doing some heat embossing. So let's get everything really nicely inked up, and I've got here a strip of basic black, and I've used my embossing body on it already. So the powder will only stick where we want it, so give that a nice press down. And then just get that out the way for now. I'm going to bring in my white embossing powder. Gonna make sure it's just where I want it, so just give it a second. I normally quite often give it a second coat just to make sure it's it's all properly covered. Yeah, that'll do. So let's try and get this back in the pot without making an absolute mess of everything. Hey, what do you say to that? Normally I am a disaster with embossing powder, but that didn't go too badly. Okay, so I'm just going to heat set that and I'll be back. Okay, so I've heat set that, and then I've just stuck it to a piece of gold foil sheet, as you can see here, and we're just going to cut that out so we have a little strip top and bottom. So there we go. So get that out the way. We don't need that anymore. So now we can bring in our designer series paper, and we can decide where we want our sentiment to go. And we can just stick this down with some snail. And basically I'm going to have it at an angle. I think somewhere like that is perfect. And then we're just going to, let me get my scissors out, and we're just going to cut off the excess. Okay, and this way you have everything fitting absolutely perfectly. Get rid of that, and then we're just going to stick this down to our card base, which is the standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and this is thick whisper white, or basic white as it's now known. I have to get used to the new terms. And there we go. That's it. Really simple and easy, but I think they look ever so elegant, don't you? If you did like this card, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply list, links to the online shop, etc., it'll all be on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!